Their goods and services in the run-up to this celebration include outstanding individuals, input suppliers, and service providers, farmer-producer organizations and cooperative societies, other service providers in digitally enabled agriculture, financial institutions supporting agribusiness, research institutions, food processing entities, ambassadors of our development partners, and insurance companies, which have helped us strengthen the bottom up over the last 12 months. Kenya's farmers have made remarkable progress in their efforts to make safe, nutritious, and sufficient food available to every citizen all year round. Since December 2023, through collective efforts and determination to increase household food stocks and improve food production, we have stabilized the country's food security situation. Ladies and gentlemen, arid and semi-arid lands cover over 80% of Kenya and hold about 60% of our livestock population. Approximately 14.6 million Kenyans who live in Asals derive their livelihoods primarily from livestock sector, which contributes 12% to the country's GDP and employs 50% of agricultural labor force. Asals and the livestock sector are critical to the nation's food security and economy. To actualize the bottom-up economic transformation agenda in relation to the livestock sector, the government is focusing on commercializing and reforming the sector and improving livestock performance. Our commercialization agenda has given priority to leather, dairy, and projects like livestock commercialization project, which supports 110,000 youth and women-led livestock-dependent households in